Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE N30 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this DOOGEE device. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. Then download this free app from this developer and open it. Choose Allow and tap Home button. Then you need to go into device settings, choose apps and notifications, tap on default apps and tap on home app. Lastly, click on iOS Launcher and just got it. As you can see, sometimes you have to click OK if your location is disabled. So now, as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Android device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!